Today we're cooking butchi. So we need is 1 cup of glutinous flour, and then we add a 1/4 cup of rice flour. So we add 1 tablespoon of white sugar. We add some water until it dissolves. Form it like a dough. So we add the water slowly, bit by bit. So I'm going to do this. We're gonna make a bowl with this and put butter filling inside. You can make your own choice filling. It can be chocolate filling. Okay, so I tried peanut butter filling. This is peanut butter, it's a chunky peanut butter. So our water is boiling, so we're gonna slow down the water, the heat, slow down the heat, and then it's just like that. Okay, so it means if that's floating, it means it's cooked. So when they're float, remove it out. So when you see it's coming out, you need to still stay in the boil at least 5 minutes just to make sure it's cooked. Just make sure it's cooked. So this is pretty much cooked. Okay, so I'm going to get this out. Okay, I'm gonna drain this first in here. So the next step is we're gonna dry this first, and then we put sesame seeds in it. So I have a sesame seed here. We're going to fry this a little bit. Okay, so we're going to, my hand is clean. I just put this kind of sticky. Okay, just do like this.